Another completed hood by the hoodcleaningexpert.com. 401-952-2874. Here we have 60 feet of kitchen duct system. If you're looking for professional hood cleaning with service-minded individuals, service-minded company that will be there when you call, give us a call. 401-952-2874. We are the professionals when it comes to hood cleaning in Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. We do some of the largest restaurant chains in those 3 states. Check out our website, hoodcleaningexpert.com, and give us a call.